So welcome to my new video. In this video, I will show you how to change our dates, especially months, into quarters. So the years has 4 quarters, and which is on the basis of the month. So first 3 months are first quarter one, and next 3 months, like fourth, fifth, and sixth month is Q2, quarter two, and seventh, eighth, and ninth month is Q3, and the last remaining 10th, October, November, and December months are in Q4. In this video, I will show you step-by-step process to change our month in quarters. So in Power BI, this is table for view. This is my Power BI desktop view, right? Sorry, dashboard. And this is model. I already have many tables in it. So in this table view, we can do this either from here, or we can also do from Power Query also, right? So I have table and date table here, and this starting is 17 September 2017. This means, and the last is up to August 2022. Okay, so I will show you how to so it has already converted. See, Q1, Q2, Q up to Q2, Q3, Q4, right? Month 10 is Q4, and yeah, 10, 11 to Q4 again. Month 1 is Q1. So this is September, right? But the month is 1. You might be confused. This is due to fiscal year. I will make another video for fiscal years. For now, I will make only the video to change into quarters. Okay. So to change the quarter, I have to create another column. So to create another column, home. Okay. Yes. Home. Uh, New column. Click on new column, and in this one, new column. What did happen? Okay. New column. Okay, so for new column, first I will create month. Okay, month number. My formula would be I need month, so I need month from date. Okay, so my date is year from date, date column. Okay, and now, so see, I have year, and now I need month. So for month, I have to put comma, and now I need month, right? So for the month, I need a month from, oh no, date column, close the parenthesis, and I need day. Day is can be anything. I just put one for now, right? I can also put a date for, let's say, day from date column. Okay, it worked, right? So, but I don't even need like 1, 2, 3, 4 up to 30 or 31. So I can just put uh, 1 in here, right? So just, so this is for day, like for this is year. I'm getting year from date, and month from date column, right? And this is one is my day, like first of any month. Okay, and from this whole uh, formula, I'm getting date, right? And this date I am getting month. Let's do this way. I need month from date, and I need from date I need year, okay? And from month I need month, from date I'm getting month, and this is the so this is day and this is month. Month from day, so this should be this one like this. And yeah, so I need this is year, right? I need the whole date. Whole date has year, month, and day. So year is from day column. Month is also from date column, right? Let's yeah. Month is also from date column, and this is day. And I will have date, and from date I will get month. That will become month number. Okay. So I have month. So see, September is 9, November is 11, December is 12, and January is 1, right? So I already have month number. Now from month number, I will create one more column. So for new column, I will divided by 3. Yeah. So I will divide this month number with number 3. So for that, I have month number. Yeah, month number divided by 3. See, this month number is divided by 3. So for 4, so 12 divided by 3 is 4, 11 divided by 3 is 3.66, 9 divided by 3 is 3, and similarly 1 divided by 3 is 0.33, 2 divided by 3 is 6.66, 3 divided by 3 is 1. Right. Now I will create another column, new column, and from this one I will write the name roundup, column name ROUND, round up. Okay. So for roundup, I will round up uh, this number. So I will first write the formula for roundup. So for this roundup will increase the number, right? If there is any number after the decimal, even the 0.0001 or 0.9, so it will increase the number to its uh, next greater number. So since it is 3 3.33, right, it will increase to 4, and 3.6 it will increase to 4, right? And it don't 4 don't have any number after it decimal, so it does not change. Now in here, 0.33, it will increase to 1, right? So for that I will need number. So my number is divided by 3. This is my column name, okay? And I hit comma, and it is asking for the number of digits, which means how many digits do I need after decimal points. So my answer is 0. I do not need any digits. I can close the parenthesis with enter and see the magic, right? So 3 has not changed, but 3.33 has become 4. 3.6 yes, has become 4. 4 has not changed, right? And zero point 0.3 has become 1, right? Okay, so I have the quarter numbers, but I don't have the quarter like Q, right? So to get Q, I can get create another column and quarter name. Okay, because I already have quarters, right? So I'm writing another name because it will not let me. So for this, I have to write Q in a string form and okay, in the symbol form. If I write plus, it will not work because that will be string, right? And I will join these two columns, right? So Q and I will join with round up, round up column. Okay. So if I hit enter, you can see the magic. Okay. See Q4, Q1, Q1, Q2, Q3. Okay. So in this way, you can uh, change your quarters group your months in quarters. So see, we have accomplished our aim to get Q1, Q2, Q3, and Q4, right? But in Power BI, we have to deal lots of data, like millions of data. In this table, in this table, I have 1,800 rows, right? So each column has 1,800 rows. See, so these extra columns will increase the size of the file, which will create a problem, which will not the problem, but it will delay our work. Like it will consume more time to load. Even after we publish our data, it will consume more time. So as a data analyst, we always have to be conscious to decrease our file size. So in this case, I can decrease the file size. Like I don't need these two columns, right? I can combine all these three columns in one column. Okay. So how can I do that? So see, I have this uh, formula in this one, right? So I can do is I can combine. See, I can combine these two formula first. Okay. First and this one round up and this one. So I can do is uh, round up and I have the number which I get after dividing the month number by 3 and I need 0 digits after the decimals. So if I hit enter, so it changed, right? So, and now since I have combined these two, I can combine this one also. So for to combine this one also, I can uh, join string with this column. So for the string, I write Q and letter N, sorry, symbol N to join these two columns, not the two column, but to join Q with the column, right? So see, it has become Q3, Q4, Q1, Q2. So yeah, month number 1, 2, and 3 is Q1. Month number 2 is, so yeah, month number 4 is Q2, 5 Q2, 6 Q3, Q2, 7 Q3, 8 Q3, 9 Q3, 10 Q4, right? 11 Q4 and 12 Q4. Again, month number 1 is Q1. So did you see the magic? Okay. So now I can de delete this column. Control, select this both column. Okay, it's not working. I can select individually and delete. Yes, delete and come on, delete. Yeah. Now, now I have to, I have to rename the column name as an quad name. Or I can put any name. Yeah. So see, it worked. So that's all for this video. See you in the next video.